Merry Christmas.
Jeez.
Loyalists. My name is Glenn.
My name's Jasmine.
We're back with another ERB reaction. And today we have Moses, Santa Claus, a big rap battles in history. Merry Christmas. So, and of course, since it's Christmas, we have the Santa versus Moses.
Oh,
anyway.
I thought you meant because of the decorations.
Oh, no.
Like
I mean,
hat.
I do have the hat and Jasmine is dressed like right. But other than that, let's dive on in. Oh yeah.
This give me an Eminem feel to it.
Oh, I got Snoop Dogg.
Snoop?
Snoop is Moses.
Sweet robes, Obi. One too many days in the sun.
Oh.
Is that
Stop
OG?
home, teach your block to cover some fun. I bring joy every year, man. I represent cheer. You represent sandals and a scraggly beard. I'm from the North Pole. That's why my rhymes are so cold. I spit diamonds, but I'm serving up some fresh coal. You been a naughty boy. You brought a plague of frogs. You best arrest yourself. You broke your own law. Oh, was it something in Rule 6 I didn't understand? My missus killed the Egyptian dude, buried him in sand. I read your book. You got a strict religion, no bacon, but mandatory circumcision. I'm a jolly jelly giving holiday presents, but all the chosen people ever get for Christmas is jealous. When I was high around the mountain, God revealed the truths of the earth, but he never mentioned a fat ass Papa Smurf. He takes 9 reindeers to haul your fat ass. You took the price out of Christmas and just added more mass. You need to stop breaking the houses and creeping them, peeping on naughty kids while they sleeping, and keep your hands off the stocking. Don't you hold me? I split your ass in half like I did the Red Sea. You ain't a saint, you a slave, like a pharaoh in the snow. Stop with the unpaid labor and let my little people go. Let's say turn your brains to mush. I think you need to stop smoking all that burning bush.
Workers, man, we ain't with brain kids. Yo, here's a GPS. Who gets lost for 40 years?
You're a glorified secretary, so write this down.
We got these nuts.
Santa Claus is on the time. So much drama in the Israel BC. It's kinda hard talking directly to the G.O. single D. Hand me my chisel, I got a new command pistol for y'all. Thou should not let children sit on the grown man's lap at the mall. I beat you 10 times before the bread can rise, you dummy, and walk off into the land of my milk and honeys.
I can't believe they got Snoop Dogg
I
in
can't believe they
here.
had Snoop Dogg for this one.
Oh man, that was dope. Who you got?
I got.
It was a hard one. They both was like
hard.
equal, but I don't.
Because Santa was saying some good lines. When he opened up, he said "Ob."
Yeah, Obi. I was like, oh man, that was slick. I don't know, man. This is a toss one. They were both so good.
They're both good.
I can't go with one. I'm sorry.
I can't go with one.
I can't go with one.
I can't go with one either.
They both were
good.
amazing.
I'm just surprised that Snoop did this.
Snoop, yeah, right? I was surprised too. Wow. Oh, that's the first time I really had to say I couldn't choose.
I can't choose.
Dang, you
I
can
mean,
choose.
I feel like everybody's gonna say Snoop though, just because.
Just a Snoop, right? But
no, but I don't know.
They wasn't really trying to hurt each other either. They wasn't trying to go like really hard. It wasn't like that. It wasn't like the Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton one.
No,
that one was like, woo, that was ruthless. But this one was like, oh, it's just Christmas. We're just trying.
Something to enjoy.
Yeah. So we're not choosing none this time.
Yeah.
But you guys can in the comments below.
Y'all gonna have a war in the comments.
And tell us what you think.
Yeah.
I said, tell us what you think. Comment below, tell us what you think.
Oh. You said
okay.
You said it differently. That's why I didn't catch it.
It's alright. It's okay, Jasmine.
Don't be so okay. And share.
It's just more guys.